The fury of floods continues to wreak havoc in many states, especially Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Major rivers in these states are flowing above the danger marks, and stretches of riverbanks have totally submerged, leaving lakhs of people running for their lives. Here's our report.
Water levels have receded to a great extent in many rivers flowing through Bihar. However, the condition of the floods remains critical. In places like Bhagalpur and Kehalgaon, where the river Ganga is still flowing above the danger mark, people are heaving sighs of relief in places where the water has withdrawn from residential areas. However, rehabilitation in these areas has emerged as a major challenge now. Over 125 people have lost their lives in floods across the state so far. Amidst reports of poor management of relief work, State Chief Minister Nitish Kumar went to relief camps in Munger to see the condition for himself. Meanwhile, RJD leader Lalu Yadav's remark over the flooding of the Ganga has invited severe ire, with the opposition accusing the RJD leader of insensitivity.
प्रभावित लोगों की संख्या अब तो इतनी बढ़ती जा रही है और उसमें ये टिप्पणी करना कि गंगा मैया आपके दरवाजे तक पहुंच गई है, ये कहीं ना कहीं बड़ा उपहास है उन गरीबों पर और वैसे तमाम लोग जो बाढ़ में फंसे हुए हैं और दर्द में हैं। और वैसे में जले पर नमक छिड़कने का काम कर रहे हैं लालू प्रसाद जी।
आप राहत नहीं दे सकते हो तो लोगों के साथ में, बाढ़ पीड़ितों के साथ में मजाक क्यों कर रहे हो?
In Munger, the Ganga is flowing in spate and the water has entered temples and mosques, causing trouble to devotees.
इतना पानी के बावजूद भी भक्त आते हैं मां के दर्शन करने के लिए और दर्शन करके ही बाहर से ही जाते हैं।
बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, एक कमर की पानी है। कल भी छत पे नमाज होगा और नहीं हो सकता है तो रोड पर भी हो सकता है नमाज।
Uttar Pradesh is also battling the flood situation. The release of water from Nepal and adjoining states has led to further rise in water levels of major rivers here. Around 28 districts of the state are facing flood-like situation, affecting lakhs of people and inflicting major damage to crops. People in Allahabad, Varanasi, Banda, Hamirpur are trapped in the crisis and relief operations are underway to help them out.
पानी तो पूरा मकान डूब गया है। अच्छा। दिख नहीं रहा है।
मकान डूबा है, पानी मकान के अंदर भरा है, तक कमर बराबर पानी।
In Allahabad, authorities have announced that all schools will remain closed till the 27th of August in view of the flood situation. Besides, the administration has also banned people from taking selfies after a recent accident.
कृपया करके भीड़ इस वजह से इकट्ठा ना करें कि आप सेल्फी या फोटोग्राफी करना चाह रहे हैं, क्योंकि इस समय अगर कोई दुर्घटना अगर हो गई तो पानी का बहाव और वेग इतना है कि संभव ही नहीं कि हम किसी व्यक्ति को हम बचा पाएं।
Lakhs of people in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan have also been affected by floods. The situation remains grim in Midnapore and Malda districts of West Bengal, even as a child was swept away in the swirling waters as 29 villages were flooded by the swollen Ganga in Malda. The administration has opened 4 relief camps in higher land to provide shelter to those marooned. Boats have been pressed into service in the submerged areas to ferry the stranded and supply relief materials. In the affected states, the local administration is trying to reach out to victims of nature's fury. The centre has also come forward with all support in relief and rescue work. Teams of NDRF have been deployed and all people once evacuated in the affected states are being taken to safe shelters. Food and medical assistance is also being provided to flood-affected areas. News Night Desk, DD News.
Vinay Sharma.